Hello everyone, I'm Utsav, I'm an IMD alumni. I'm starting this new series in which I will be linking AI news to the business strategy of different companies. Basically अगर हम कोई AI न्यूज़ सुनते हैं तो हम उससे क्या जान सकते हैं कि वो कंपनी कहाँ जाने की कोशिश कर रही है, वो अपने कॉम्पिटिटर्स को कैसे इम्पैक्ट करेगी, उसका लॉन्ग टर्म शॉर्ट टर्म स्ट्रैटेजी या विजन क्या है. I'm starting with this news of launch of Ode. Ode is a new is a basically this AI implementation company started by Anthropic and Blackstone together. It's a 1.5 billion AI implementation joint venture. Basically, Anthropic ने क्या देखा कि as the time goes, the models or LLMs will get commoditized and hence it should start thinking long term के और value कहाँ generate कर सकते हैं. And then they find out that 70 to 90% of AI project cost is spent in implementation. Implementation का मतलब services, change management, integration में. तो then Anthropic thought of pursuing vertical integration from model to implementation strategy as well. And then basically it will increase their pricing power because slowly models or LLMs will get commoditized. तो कुछ तो differentiator होना चाहिए and वो differentiator they are trying to bring through through AI implementation skills. पहले भी ऐसे हुआ था. IBM shifted from hardware to services as hardware margins compressed. Basically companies हमेशा long term सोचती है अपना कैश फ्लो और नेट प्रॉफिट को कैसे इंक्रीज किया जाए एंड दिस इज अ स्टेप Anthropic has taken to increase their value across AI value chain. But now the question comes, why Blackstone? Why not McKinsey? Why not Microsoft, Google or Sequoia? So let me do it again. Why not McKinsey, Microsoft, Google, Sequoia? Sequoia के पास बहुत पैसा है, Blackstone के पास भी पैसा है. Google, Microsoft, Amazon will bring technology. McKinsey will bring years of consulting experience. तो why not that? इसके चार main reasons हैं. One is Anthropic needs distribution as well, not just capital. What does distribution means is that customer कहाँ से आएंगे? Blackstone has hundreds of its portfolio companies जिनको Anthropic directly reach out कर सकता है और पिच कर सकता है. बट Sequoia के पास भी बहुत सारे, McKinsey के पास बहुत सारे हैं. But what good thing about Blackstone is that when they partner or invest in a company, they don't just leave them. They work with them, grow them. They mature their business strategy, operation strategy. Basically, they work on their procurement, pricing, tech modernization. इसीलिए working with Blackstone is much more beneficial because they have hands in their partner companies which will give access to Anthropic to reach inside their customer. Or moreover, this will also bring knowledge which is required for a good implementation. Also, Blackstone is a PE firm, right? उनको अपनी कंपनी की वैल्यूएशन बढ़ानी है और वैल्यूएशन कैसे बढ़ती है? एफिशिएंसी से. एफिशिएंसी कैसे आएगी? टूल से. एंड AI इज मॉडर्न डे टूल टू इंक्रीज एफिशिएंसी. तो Blackstone भी इंटरेस्टेड होगा बेसिकली टू ब्रिंग AI implementation or tools inside their investments. Why Anthropic? Because that's a god AI tool right now. आगे चलते हैं. Blackstone has invested heavily in data centers, digital infrastructure. तो वो already एक AI जर्नी पे है and hence they sounded like a good partner. But now question comes, why not Microsoft? Why not Google? Why not McKinsey? Basically, Microsoft and Amazon have their own cloud system, and what Anthropic wants to be, they want to be cloud agnostic, and hence they ruled them out. Why not McKinsey? Because they do many type of projects, and they try to appease their customers or partners as well. So it will be tough for Anthropic to convince McKinsey to sell cloud. They won't force their partner to use only Claude, not to go with Gemini or ChatGPT. And hence McKinsey is also ruled out. But yeah, this was part one. In part two, we will discuss how this code will be a very deep threat to current product companies like Microsoft and Google. So stay tuned. See you soon.